Leverage your stash of Southwest Airlines points to save even more on flights. Hey, I'm Leen on Travel, and it's no secret that travel hackers love flying Southwest, mainly because of their companion pass, which allows you to have a companion to fly for free with you for almost 2 solid years. Definitely check out my other video on how to do that right now with just one credit card, as that offer is coming to an end on September 17th. But anyways, let me share with you a little trick to spend even fewer points on a flight with Southwest. Now, the only requirement for this little trick is that you must have a healthy stash of Southwest points on top of the points that you'll need to book your desired flight. What I want you to do is to book two one-way Southwest flights, both with the same starting and ending airports. One of those flights will be for the flight time that you actually want, and the other is going to be for the absolute cheapest flight in a 2-week window of your desired flight. This is going to be your dummy flight that you will use as leverage to pay as few points as possible. Now, for this dummy flight, I want you to choose a flight later in the day and with a layover. Oh, why? Because this increases your odds of a flight change. A Southwest flight change is your golden ticket to rebooking your flight for free to any other Southwest flight in a 2-week window. A flight later in the day or with a layover increases the odds that your flight will be changed on you. Now, when your flight changes on you, you get that golden ticket to change, again, for free to your more desirable but costlier flight without it costing you any more points. You can change your flight online or call in to have them do this for you. When I have a companion, this 5-minute phone call reduces any anxiety that I have about getting all three of us rebooked on that new flight. But anyways, once the flight change is made, you can cancel that original costlier flight to get all your points refunded right back in your Southwest account. And then all of your fees will go directly back to your credit card. So again, just because Southwest modified your original flight on you, you're allowed to modify it again, but to any other flight, even if it costs significantly more, without it charging you any more points, which is like crazy awesome and just another of the million reasons why I love flying Southwest. I've used this technique several times over the past 6 months, and about half of my flights do get modified on me, especially when I book those flights like as soon as they are released. And it always seems to happen at least 3 months out. So if I need those points to book something else, I tend to cancel my dummy flights and get all those points back about a month before my departure date, as those flight changes honestly just rarely happen that close to the departure date. To learn more about why I love Southwest, and you will too, definitely check out my other videos and of course blog articles, which are linked in the video's description, on how to travel hack Southwest Airlines. That's it from Lead on Travel. Happy travel hacking.